Now, our next experiment, we'll need our piece of our stick, our chopstick, our pen, whatever you have. We need 3 of these nuts or a paper clip or whatever you have that you can tie onto some string. And we need a string. Okay, so we're going to cut this string into 3 equal lengths, okay? So we want all the string to be the same length. Now you might need a little bit of help for this one. Sometimes string's a bit hard, or using scissors is a bit difficult. And we'll also be tying some knots, so you might need to be near an adult for this one. So I've chopped up my 3 bits of string. And now at the end of each one, I'm going to tie one of these little nuts. Or you can tie your paper clip, or you can tie whatever you've got. So I've got 1 here. Got my second one. And lucky third, right here. Oops. I've got big fingers and this is sometimes difficult for me. Okay, so I have done my 3 bits of string here. So I'm just going to pop through and have a look at all your videos to see how you're going along with it. Ah, good. Yep, great. Looks like a lot of you have it all sorted out. Good. Great. So we've all got 3 different bits of string. Fantastic. Looks like all of you are pretty much there. So next we need to get our stick or our chopstick or our pen, and we're going to tie 1. So we're going to tie them with this part hanging down to the end. We're going to tie 1 to this end, 1 to that end, and 1 to the middle. If you have any questions to ask now, feel free to unmute yourself if you're having a bit of trouble with this and let me know. So I've got 1 end done. Now I'm going to go on to the other end. Okay, so there you can see I've got 1 at each end, and now I'm going to do 1 in the middle here. There we go. So if you have yours done, hold it up so I can see it. If you're still working on it, that's fine. I'll give you a few minutes. Yeah, so I want you to take this and give it a go of doing that. Twist it around a bit. Maybe you can roll it up, roll it down. Now, I want to ask you, when you do anything, what happens to these bits at the end? Where do they all go? they're all kind of pointing in the same direction, aren't they? So it doesn't matter what you do with this, how you twist it, they'll keep pointing down because they are attracted by gravity. They're being pulled down to the center of the earth because gravity pulls things towards the earth. So when I wiggle it around a bit, they go kind of all over the place, but they will always be pointing down. Oops, mine's all twisted up. So that's showing where the gravity is going.